Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open a bottle pump just like this. This will be an easy tutorial for a shampoo, soap, or lotion bottle that commonly has this type of pump. Let's get right into the video. If you find a pump like this, you're gonna notice that when you first buy the product, you can't pump it down, okay? It's not able to be pumped. So I'm gonna show you how to open it so that you can pump it and get that product out of the bottle. So it's very, very simple. Let's take a look at the top here. You can see that there is the pump and it's been pressed down. Now the key here is that it's been pressed down, and what it actually has is a little bit of like a threaded situation where it can stay down here. So what you're gonna do is hold the collar of the pump. So this is the collar of the pump. Hold the collar of the pump like that, nice and firmly. And you wanna twist the top of the pump, either in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. So you can see right here, if I try twisting it clockwise, you can see, or I should say, if I try twisting it clockwise, this is clockwise, you can see it's not twisting anymore. So you can try the other direction, counterclockwise, and look at that. It's raising up, and eventually what happens is it pops up. You can see right here on the top of the pump, there are these threads. So what happens is at the beginning, it's pressed down, and it's twisted so that the threads keep it in place, okay? So if I press it down right now, hopefully nothing's gonna come out of here. Yeah, it's about to come out, but we should be okay. If I press down and I twist it, it's actually being held in place like that, okay? So to undo that, to open the bottle pump, you're gonna twist it, usually counterclockwise, until it pops up, just like that. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.